My last job, I kind of always feel stuck, always been undervalued, and I just don't want that anymore.
If you're looking for freedom, independence, and mobility, look into the art of paintless dent removal. I want to teach people who want to learn. This industry, it's in its infancy, and it's starting to get to a level where it's on par with automotive collision shops. Since it's all paintless, the technician doesn't need any parts or consumables to repair, so he keeps the vast majority of his profits. Classes start the first Monday of every month. We'll have your tool package already here waiting for you. You're gonna get everything you need to fast forward your career. You're gonna be guided by industry experts. You'll have ongoing support even after you finish the course to make sure that you're still retaining the skills that you have just learned.
But he gave me the little push I needed. It's nice to have a job, a profession, a skill that you can use anywhere. You can't take the skills away from you. If I didn't take action, I wouldn't have known my full potential. You work for yourself. And that's actually the main thing I loved about the job. It changed my life.
It takes a person that has a willingness and drive to move forward and a person that wants to learn the skill. If you want to learn the skill, I'm a total believer that it is yours for the taking if you truly want it.
If you're the type of person that wants to change, looking for something that you may be passionate about, and you actually are a hard worker, believe it or not, this job is great for you. You're your own man. So how can you really beat something like that?
Go online, give us a call, get ready to kickstart your career.